Have you ever gone to one of those big box stores, bought something in bulk, vacuum sealed it all up, middle of the night hits, and you're like, I want a snack, but everything's sealed up? Well, today we're going to solve that problem with these pre-portioned vacuum sealer packs. What is up, Avid Armor fam? My name is Parker. Today I'm going to show you how to create these awesome pre-portioned vacuum packs. These are perfect for measuring ingredients ahead of time or just to portion some snacks in. Here's what we need to make these. Our 8x12 quart vacuum sealer bags, our Avid Armor A100 vacuum sealer, scissors, and a funnel. Depending on what you're wanting to seal, you can use any size vacuum bags. However, we're using our quart bags because it worked well with some popular portion sizes. Here's how our quart bag is going to break down. You'll be able to get one pouch that holds 2 cups, one pouch that holds a half a cup, and 3 smaller pouches that hold 1 tablespoon each. Here's an outline of what we're going to be doing to our quart bag. The dotted line marks where we're going to cut, and the solid line marks where we'll place our seals. This should give you a little bit better of an idea on how we're going to do this. We're going to get started by taking our quart size vacuum bags and we're going to place a seal on the open end of the bag. After that, we're going to cut horizontally right across the bag, cutting it right in half. This is going to give us our first pouch. This pouch is going to hold up to 2 dry cups of whatever you want to use. We're going to throw some goldfish in there and seal up the opening. Now, if you're vacuum sealing any delicate items, chips, whatever that may be, make sure to use the Pulse Vac feature on the A100. This allows you to manually control the amount of vacuum you put on the bag, and it also helps prevent your items from being crushed. Once you've reached the proper level of vacuum for whatever you're sealing, press that seal button to leave a nice seal on the top of that bag, and there you go, you have your first vacuum pouch. Next, we're going to take the other half of the bag that we didn't use and place a seal in the center of it, running vertically. And then once you have that seal, we're going to cut along the right hand side of that seal, and this is going to give us our next pouch. This is a more vertical style pouch, and it's going to give us a half a cup of dry goods. For this, we're going to throw some Chex Mix in there. You can use whatever you want, obviously. And same thing, we're going to use our Pulse Vac mode on the A100 to make sure we don't crush the items we're sealing. Last but not least, we have these Tablespoon pouches. These are great little protein powder packets, or to store, say, a tablespoon of flour in. Now, because this is a powder, we are not going to vacuum seal them, because if you were to vacuum seal them, the powder would get into the machine, ruin everything, break down, all your stuff would go bad. It would be a bad time. It would be a bad time. We are going to, however, seal them. So we're going to take our bag and seal the short edge of the bag. And then after that, we're going to place 2 more seals on the bag, dividing it into 3 sections. Once you have the bag sealed, we're going to add our flour in. I highly recommend using a funnel to do this. It'll make your life so much easier. Then we're going to seal it up by running a seal-only cycle on our A100, and because of the size of these, you can actually seal all 3 of them at the same time, speeding things up dramatically. And that's it, guys. Now we have the perfect little portion size packets for whatever you may need. If you guys try this out, let us know how it goes by leaving a comment down below. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll catch you next time. Peace out.